Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2015 Volkswagen Passat Limited Edition, 118,000 miles on it, just serviced. Drives really well, nice little car. Body's in clean shape. You have a little mark there, but overall, she's clean, has good tires on her. 1.8 turbo. Has black leather, backup camera, heated seats. Check out the inside here. See, the inside is nice and clean. There is a little bit of tearing in the seat there and there in the driver's side, but otherwise besides that, interior is in great shape. 118,575 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you could give us a text. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it with somebody you know might be interested. And if you need any service for any of your Volkswagen, Porsche, or Audi vehicles and you live on the Mississippi Southern Coast, give us a holler. Thanks for checking out our video.